National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a special marine warning for Upper Delaware Bay until 1:45 p.m. At 12:38 p.m., a strong shower was located 9 nautical miles southwest of Stony Point, moving east at 20 knots. This shower may strengthen into a thunderstorm. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Woodland Beach, Sea Breeze, Stony Point, Ship John Shoal Light, and Reedy Point. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected.
All right, here we go. Another special marine warning. Let's see if this is going to get toned on KEC92.
Values up to 105. The Beach Forecast New Jersey has issued a special marine warning for Delaware Bay, coastal waters from Cape May, New Jersey to Fenwick Island, Delaware, out 20 nautical miles until 1:45 p.m. At 12:49 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located 12 nautical miles west of Rehoboth Beach, moving east at 25 knots.
I knew that was coming.
The thunderstorm was approaching Slaughter Beach. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves.
But Wakefield, why aren't you toning it yet?
Overfalls Shoal, Brown Shoal Light, Slaughter Beach, Cape Henlopen, Rehoboth Beach, Cape May Point, Brandywine Shoal Light, and Indian River Inlet Bridge. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Frequent cloud-to-surface lightning is occurring with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible and keep away from ungrounded metal objects.
All right, that's the second one for today. Yep, so here comes the rain. The Weather Channel was definitely right. Because this is why I have to watch the Weather Channel when I'm down here, because we have our Comcast in our building. And they said 70% chance of rain this morning, like right before 10 a.m. So, yeah. This is going to be a quick shower. I'll just show you on the radar. Yeah, there it goes right there. But I think, I definitely think parts of Cape May County could see another SMW soon. So it wouldn't surprise me if WXJ94 has to tone out something else soon, I think.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Sussex County in southern Delaware until 2 p.m.
Hello!
At 1:09 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Millsboro, or 8 miles southeast of Georgetown.
That was going to escalate.
Per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated.
That was coming.
Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible.
Millsboro, they said.
Impacted include Georgetown, Millsboro, Lewis, Dagsboro, Millville, Henlopen Acres, Long Neck, Ocean View, Frankfort, South Bethany, and Dewey Beach.
Pretty much most of
For
Route
your protection,
113.
move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2 p.m. for the following county: Sussex, Delaware.
Just popped up on radar scope, guys. Let me show you on the radar. And don't mind me, I'm trying to watch Night of Champions as this is happening. So there's the cone. And look at that. That was going to escalate. That was going to escalate at some point. I was keeping an eye on that cell, and I knew something was going to come out of it, guys. Just one more look of it again. Yep, this is definitely for Cape May.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Cape May, New Jersey to Fenwick Island, Delaware, up 20 nautical miles. Outer waters from Cape May, New Jersey to Fenwick Island, Delaware, from 20 to 60 nautical miles until 2:45 p.m.
Called it.
At 1:41 p.m., a severe
Pop
thunderstorm
up on my
was
radar
located
and
over
coming up.
Bethany Beach, moving east at 20 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots.
Yep, there it
and
is.
hail. Source, radar.
I thought another one was going to get sent out for like Wildwood maybe.
Higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Large hail could result in structural damage. Locations impacted include Bethany Beach, Fenwick Island, Delaware Lightship Buoy 44,009, and Indian River Inlet Bridge. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible and keep away from ungrounded metal objects.
Another one. This is an SVR.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Sussex County in southern Delaware until 2:30 p.m.
Are you
At
kidding me?
1:43 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Millville, or 12 miles north of Ocean City, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles.
We're going to see if any FMs are relaying it.
Wind damage to roofs, siding, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Millville, Long Neck, Ocean View, and South Bethany. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm, and the storm will affect the beaches.
KEC92 is relaying it
For your
too.
safety, immediately move off the beach and seek shelter indoors.
Yep, and it's popped up on my radar.
Thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:30 p.m. for the following county: Sussex, Delaware. Marine warning for coastal waters from Fenwick Island, Delaware to Chincoteague, Virginia, out 20 nautical miles until 2:45 p.m.
Chincoteague Island, yep.
At 1:46 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located near Assawoman Bay. The strong thunderstorm was merely stationary. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots and small hail. Source, radar.
This escalated
Impact,
very
small craft
quickly
could be
today.
damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include 10 nautical miles southeast Fenwick Island, Assawoman Bay, Ocean City Inlet, Ocean City Pier, 10 nautical miles east of Ocean City Inlet, and Fenwick Island. Move to safe harbor
They
until
just said
hazardous
the
weather
south
passes.
side of Ocean City is in this one. Oh boy.
The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a special marine warning for out 20 nautical miles waters from Fenwick Island, Delaware to Chincoteague, Virginia, from 20 to 60 nautical miles until 3:45 p.m. At 2:27 p.m., strong thunderstorm was located over 10 nautical miles east of Ocean City Inlet, moving southeast at 10 knots. Hazard.
And right when it was starting to clear out. What the heck? Why? Look.
10 nautical miles east of Ocean City Inlet and 10 nautical miles southeast Fenwick Island. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather has damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. 10 nautical miles east of Ocean City Inlet and 10 nautical miles southeast Fenwick Island.
Yep.
Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.
Here it is on the radar, guys. Oh my goodness. We never can catch a break today, huh? Huh? Why? I thought we were done for today. I really thought we were done for today. Yep, and it just popped up. There it is.